Dr. Travis Gratton with University Veterinary Care Center is joining us by Skype for today's pet advice. We're talking about therapy lasers. Good morning, Dr. Gratton.
Good morning, Erin.
So what are therapy lasers and who benefits the most from them?
Well, lasers in general are just diodes that produce beams of light, but they're in very specific wavelengths of light, and these have been researched over the last 40 to 50 years as to which specific wavelengths work best, and they penetrate into the skin or even deeper tissues. And we use them for a lot of different things, actually. A lot of wounds, a lot of injuries, musculoskeletal problems, especially sprains and strains and arthritis and things like that.
Do they work for all types of pets?
Generally speaking, yes. We can get them to just sit there, hold still, and get the beam to get into the area that we want. They work very, very well.
Well, tell us, how do they work?
Well, the magic is that as the light enters the tissue, it starts to react with specific cells and certain structures within those cells and molecules, and they increase cellular metabolism. So we end up with an increase in blood flow, an increase in drainage of lymphatic fluids out of those tissues, and an overall increase in metabolism. So we can speed up healing, we can decrease inflammation, we can do a number of other things with them as well.
Could there be any side effects from using these lasers?
Generally used appropriately, they're incredibly safe. We do have to watch for eye damage because retinas are sensitive to some of the wavelengths that are used. So just like you shouldn't stare into any other really bright light for any length of time, we kind of have to watch that. So a lot of our patients, if we're working up around the face, we do have them in goggles. And otherwise, if used appropriately, you kind of got to watch some of the heat build up in some of the darker skinned animals. So they can get a little warm, but if somebody who's trained doing it, you're not likely to get any actual burns going.
Okay, Dr. Gratton, well, thank you for sharing that with us this morning. And if you'd like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, just head over to universityvetcare.com.